Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can extract data from Arbitrum using Bitquery API. With Bitquery API, you can find things like balance of an address or what are the recent rates on Arbitrum and much more. Before we dive into Bitquery API, let's see what is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Layer 2 scaling solutions are built to help scale base layer blockchains like Ethereum. Arbitrum is very similar to Ethereum but with very low gas fees, so you don't have to worry about spending a lot of gas fees on simple transactions. Let's write our first query. To write the query, you can come to Bitquery ID and get started. Make sure that you have this endpoint, streaming endpoint, up in this field, as we are going to use streaming APIs here. As you can see, here is the schema. It has a lot of fields. We are going to explore balance updates, dex trade by token, and dex trades. These are the APIs that we are going to explore. The native token for an address. Every query starts with EVM followed by some parameters like dataset, which will be combined for now. Then network. We need to set it to Arbitrum. Now balance updates. So we can write balance update. Then we'll add some filters to get particular data where. So in where filter we can define our address. So balance updates and address is, and you can put whatever address you need. For now we are just going to take an example address. And as we need native token, we can set currency filter to native and set value equal to true. We'll add some more fields which gives us data about the currency. In this case we need address of the currency, is it native, is it symbol, and then we'll create a field for balance. This is just an alias, and then we'll text sum of all the balance updates amount, and this should give us the balance of the native token for this particular address. Let's run the query and see. Yep, you can see this wallet has 26,000 ETH. So our next query will be finding balance of all the tokens in this wallet. We just need to remove this native filter and we should get all the tokens. As you can see, there are a lot of tokens, like 3, but we can get all the details and balance of all the tokens for particular wallet address. We can also get balance of a particular token. So to get particular token, we can add currency filter and then define the smart contract address for it. You can see this is the balance of this token for this address. Bitquery also provides you with dextrade data via dextrade by tokens API and dextrade API. Let's explore the dextrade API and find the top token traded on Arbitrum. Here we'll add some filters like limit by to get top 10 tokens, and we need to order it in descending order of number of trades. So we'll have count field in the body, and according to that tokens will be arranged. Where so you can see here we have count, which will give us number of trades, and currency, so details of the currency. That's what. Let's run the code and see. Yep, as you can see here we have WETH at the top, and then USDC, then Arbitrum token, and many more. We can also get all the recent trades on a particular DEX like Uniswap v3 or Uniswap v2. So let's modify this query to get trades from Uniswap v3, and add some more details. We also can get the price. We'll also change the order to block using descending by block time. So this will give us the latest trades on Uniswap v3. You can see this is the trade for MetaX USDT, and all the details you can see here. If you want to get recent trades for particular token, we can use DEX trades by token API. We need to add similar filters like limit, finally we'll add the trade and currency filter where we can define a smart contract address, and we can pick up USDT address, and here we need to add details that we want to get back like time of the trade, buy amount, sell amount, and at the end we'll add side, which will be if USDT is on the buy side or sell side. Let's run it and see. As you can see here, we have all the details that we need. We can also get OHLC data, which is open, low, high, close, using Bitquery Dextrade API. So as you can see, we are calculating high, low, open, close for a given time interval, and then we can define the interval. Okay, let's run and see. Yep, you can see here open, low, high, close of USDT against a token. Bitquery also offers API for getting token transfer data. Token transfers includes ERC20, ERC721, which are NFTs, and native token transfers. So let's write a query that gets latest token transfers. Here we are defining the contract for Arbitrum token. That way we can get latest transfers for Arbitrum token. Now we can define what we need from this transfer data. We can also get latest transfers for a particular wallet. Here we have defined the receiver and the address, and if we run it, we can see all the transfers received by this particular address. Transfers API also allows you to get NFT transfers, where you just have to define the filter fungible equal to false, and this will give you all the latest NFT transfers.